from TBL, and today I want to talk about one of the best investments that we've made. If you have pets in your RV and you have carpet, as we do, a wet bag, yeah, or a carpet cleaner, it is the best investment. It's really easy to use depending on which one you have. We love it because, as you know, having pets, they're always going to have an accident. You leave and come back and there's a pet mess, and being a small space, you don't want it to smell like pets. Ours is the Hoover Spin Scrub 50. This one has the 4 brushes. It has 3 settings. That has the, let's see here, spill pickup, gentle scrub, and power scrubber. And those you set accordingly to your spills. And I like the ability of having the 4 brushes. This one was a little over $100. I believe it was a regular of 200 and something. I got it on sale, but that's something that I really wanted to have in the RV before we started traveling. And even if you don't have pets, camping, you're trekking in mud, you're trekking in sand from the beach, etc. So the way I use this one, you fill it up to the line, you get your carpet cleaning solution, use it to your specifications for your carpet cleaner, fill it up to the line, stick your soap in there, close it. I like to shake it a bit, whoops, to make sure you get the solution in there. This is your holding tank. After this empties onto your carpet and it soaks back up with all the nastiness, it goes into this tank, and when this is empty, you need to open this one and rinse it so you can start over. Stick it back in your thing. Up. Grab your tank. And there you go, and you're ready to go.
I've already done that half of the floor. I've got to do this half of the floor next. See the difference? Having pets is nasty sometimes.
Well, I mean, it comes with the territory of having fuzzy children, you know, the good and the bad, but nobody wants to have people over into their RV and smell like pet or have big stains. So hopefully, as you can see down here, we're going to try to get those out with this, and then we'll see a before and after. To all of our viewers for supporting our channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much. See you later.
And share it out. Thank you.
Subscribe.